Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to disable sound effects in Merge Garden game. Whether you want a quieter gameplay experience or are playing in public or just prefer your own music, this guide will help you turn off sound effectively and easily. Launch open the Merge Gardens game on your device and make sure that the game is updated to the latest version. Once you're inside the main home screen or the game section, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now from the expanded pop-up, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the Sound and Music option on the right corner. Simply toggle the buttons off, slide the little blue slider towards the left and make sure that both the sound and music are turned off. Now once you do this, your game will run without sound effects while other gameplay features remain unaffected. That's how you successfully disable sound effects in Merge Gardens. Now you can enjoy a quieter gameplay experience while merging your favorite items and growing your garden. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.